Primetime News, business and consumer confidence up.
Teachers urged to be creative to close the gap in illiteracy rates.
And later, communities in St. Anna grapple with drought. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International, that's at the Cayman Islands, or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with the preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, today we're talking about the business and consumer confidence. Plus, Guardian Holdings has also acquired a major part of a company. I'll have that and more in the Business Day.
And later on in sports, now the head of Cricket West Indies, Kishore Shallow, has called on 3 batting legends in the West Indies to help following the whitewash against Australia. Now Spencer will have that later on in sports.
But right now, Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain.
Thanks, Janella. Now, we have been having some isolated shower activity affect sections of the east, very isolated. We do also expect another tropical wave to be over the Jamaica area late tomorrow, going into tomorrow night.
Now, we'll also have sports commentary and E-Prime later on in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
Okay, Gia, I know you would love this one. Oh, well, no, I thought it was a sports question. This evening, we are asking, what is your reaction to news that business and consumer indices continue to climb despite the global trade war?
No, why would I not like it? It's not like I just sports
I know,
like.
it's all about cricket right now, but it's okay.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.